What's going on, everybody? I'm going to be doing an update on my secondary studio. So I actually bought an FX30, so I want to actually test it out and get the hang of it and actually use it a bit more. So while I build my new studio, which is in the kitchen, so I'm going to take you guys over the process of me building it. So it's going to be a lot of footage, so I hope you guys enjoy. And if you haven't subscribed to my other channel, which is the Kitchen Fit Foodie Fable, I'm going to leave a link right here somewhere. I think that's the correct position. Subscribe to it. Welcome to my kitchen studio. So for anybody that's trying to build a kitchen studio, I actually added a countertop and 2 monitors and a Mac to make things a lot easier to be able to actually edit on the fly or stream if I really wanted to. But I digress. I'm just gonna start assembling everything I need.
It's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's 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 gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a...
With that, the minor upgrade is actually done. There's a couple of things I need to do to actually finish the upgrade. I need to do an overhead camera setup. I think I forgot to show you guys the rest of it, but I'm gonna make it another series. If you guys like this kind of content, subscribe. It's free. And if you haven't subscribed to my Fit Foodie Fable food channel, go ahead and subscribe. Take care, everybody.